Guys, please make sure you stand to the end. If you don't fix it on time, that will end up in very expensive repairs and it can make your car uncontrollable as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger. Why we mention both? Because they're built on the same platform, so it will apply to both. If you want to know what are the symptoms of bad sway barring, guys, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You will see what to expect, guys, and we will actually even you heard the noise, okay, what it sounds like, but we will expect what else you can see, guys, okay, how it can affect your vehicle and how actually it may cause you to lose control of your vehicle if it fails as well. We'll talk about that. Guys, we provide these videos absolutely free. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Let's start on it now. So guys, symptoms of bad sway barring. Let's go ahead and explain now what's the purpose of the sway bar, where it's located, and what happens when it fails, guys. And it will quite often, especially if you live in an area with bad roads. We'll explain why. So if you look at the suspension of that Charger will be exactly the same, guys, except if you have the all-wheel drive version there will be minor differences, but the concept is the same. This is your strut, the shock, right here on the front. You see, that's your sway bar link, sway bar link. The sway bar link connects the strut to the sway bar on the bottom. This is the sway bar, this is that thick spring loaded bar, guys. It connects the left and the right wheel. What it does, it stabilizes your vehicle, especially going through turns. If that thing fails, okay, you may lose control of your vehicle and your vehicle may become very uncontrollable, guys. So that's super important, okay, to check them on time. Sway bar links can fail as early we've seen, even depending on how you drive and where you drive it, but some we replaced at 30-40,000 miles, some at 80, some at 120. It really depends, guys. But these ones are failing, okay, so we are replacing them today. And when they fail, what you can expect to happen, guys? When a sway bar link fails, it will fail, most of the times it has two ball joints. That's one here, one there. And guys, often why they will fail? Two ways. One, it can crack the seal, then when you drive in the rain or dust will get inside, and that will cause kind of like a paste and it will wear out your ball joint. So failing seal will be number one thing, and from there it will develop a play, and that play will result into rattle, noise rattle when you go over bumps. Another thing, they can just wear out sometimes, okay, for moving a wad, guys. The new ones, watch how tight they are. It takes a lot of effort to move those things. The old one, okay, that failed, it will be okay, super loose and practically the ball joints are worn. That's what causes it, guys. So when they fail, you will hear noise, rattle when you go over bumps, road imperfections, uneven roads. At first it will be quieter, then it will get louder and louder the worse it gets, and it will feel like something is losing the suspension when you go over bumps. Now if they fail and ball joint come off, and we've seen that happen, your sway bar will be disconnected from the wheels, and as a result the car may become very unstable, guys. So another thing, okay, the sway bar might move and hit the control arm as well, and it can cause other damages too. So change them on time, guys. Never ignore them because they're quite inexpensive, guys, those sway bars, okay. Quite inexpensive, easy to replace. We'll have video how to do it on our channel, step by step. It will teach you that, guys. On our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos. Check them out. We're here to save you money. If you need help with anything, drop a comment below, let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your specific problem. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.